Welcome to Learn English for Life.
Paulo, did you hear what I have just said? Paulo? Are you okay? Paulo.
Oh, hi, Dad. Yeah, you have just arrived home. How was work today? How are you?
No, I have not just arrived. I'm leaving to my work now. Did not you hear? Hey, what's going on?
What? Nothing. Everything's fine. Have a nice day.
I don't believe you. You have been very thoughtful lately. What's happening?
Thoughtful? No. What are you talking about? I'm fine. Don't worry. You must be late for work. I'm fine, Dad. Are you coming to have lunch today?
Again. I don't believe you. You know you can trust me. I am your father. Come on, tell me.
I can't tell you. This is something I have to figure out myself. It's my fault.
Look, I know you are of age now. Last month, you turned 18, but I am older than you and maybe I can help you some way, son. Please, trust me.
Okay, Dad. I will tell you, but please take a seat. This is something important.
All right. Now, tell me, is this something about the college?
No, it's not about college. It's not about studies, career, or something like that.
Then, it's about your friends? Did you fight with your best friend?
No, Dad. I did not fight with Patrick. I talked to him normally yesterday. We are fine.
Then, it's about your mom and I. Did we do anything wrong? Please tell us.
No, Dad. It's not about Mom and you. This is about. This is about Mary.
Oh, I knew it. Of course it was about your girlfriend. What happened? Don't tell me you fight with her. Well, that's something very usual. Don't worry.
No. We didn't fight. It's even worse than that. It's something really serious, Dad.
All right, relax. Something serious would be that she has become pregnant, but that cannot be. So, let's think. Paolo? No, this must be a joke, right? Don't tell me.
Yes, Dad. She's pregnant. Mary is pregnant. We will have a baby.
I knew you were funny, but this. Oh, my God. You almost caught me. So, now tell me. What is the real problem? Did you break up with her or what?
Dad, stop it. She's pregnant. I'm not lying. We will have a baby.
No, no, no. This can be truth. Paulo, tell me this is a joke, please.
No, Dad. This is not a joke. Mary and I are going to be parents. I'm sorry.
But how could this happen? We talked about this. I advised you. I always supported your relationship. I trust you both. You are studying. You are supposed to be a famous doctor. You told me you were gonna be the best doctor.
I know. I know, Dad. I told you those things. But this happened. What could we do?
Oh, my God. I can't believe it. I feel. I don't know what to feel.
Dad, please. I know that I have disappointed you, but I need your help. I need your advice now. I don't know what to do. I don't feel prepared. I'm not ready for this. I need you as my father, the person I can trust in. Please, do not leave me alone now. I'm scared. I have been thinking too much. I have no idea what to do.
All right, just let me. Let me take it in. I am shocked. I did not expect this. But I guess it's already done. Now, what should we do? I am not sure.
What do you mean you are not sure? You need to help me, please. Dad. Please.
All right, all right. I need to clear my mind. I also became a father when I was your age. It's just that I have never expected you to make the same mistakes, but this is what it is. All right. The first thing you should do is stay calm, yeah.
You don't look calm, Dad. You look even more scared than I do. Dad, I need you.
Yeah, I guess you are right. You don't need me to shout or fight with you. I get it, it's just that. No. All right. Let's do this. We need to do something. All right. Stay calm, yeah. It's natural to feel overwhelmed, worried, and even scared or embarrassed. Remember that your girlfriend probably feels the same way. Be calm and compassionate as you talk to her. Don't raise your voice and don't place blame. Now you will have to be more united than ever. Have you already talked to her about this? I mean, did you talk calmly about this?
We have talked, but you know, she is also scared. More than I am, in fact.
I suppose so. Don't worry, you will talk to her and you will be fine. Together. This is something really important, so please, listen to her. Pay attention to her feelings. Be supportive as she shares her feelings with you. Let her know that you will be there for her. And that you will figure it out together. She may be the one who is pregnant, but you both have a responsibility now. I know you are scared, but she is even more scared now. That's why you need to support her. And no, never think or consider adoption or other solution for that. You will have the baby. I know you are both scared, but you want to have that baby, right? Have you considered?
Dad, we have talked about that. We want to have this baby. It was not our plan, but we want to.
Good, good. That's the best decision. Now, you will have to get married, I suppose.
Married? We have not talked about that before. I love Mary, but
Oh, sure. I am sorry. I always forget that these are different times. You don't have to get married if you don't want to, but you need to talk about that, at least.
I love Mary. I have no problem marrying her. I want to be her husband.
Great. That's good. But please, take your time to take that decision. It's not a game. When your mom got pregnant, I was also scared. I could not believe that. Seriously. We became parents at a very young age. We also talked to our parents then. Sadly, they did not support us. They left us alone. But this time, your case is different. I am here for you, son. And I will support you and my daughter-in-law. And of course my grandson. Grandson. Oh, my God. I will become a grandfather. I had not noticed. I will become a grandfather. I'm so happy. My grandson. Oh, God.
Are you serious? Then you are not angry or disappointed anymore?
Well, this is something huge and it's already done. We have to assume our responsibility. Everything will be fine, Paulo. I promise you. We, your mom and I will be here for you. And of course for our grandson or granddaughter. Oh, my God.
Thank you, Dad. I feel much better now. Oh, I need to call Mary. I shall bring her home.
Absolutely. Tell her to come or you can bring her home. I love you, son.
I love you, Dad. You are always there for me and this is not the exception. Thank you.